So, ayan, good afternoon. So, now, for today's lesson, ang aaralan natin today is the nervous system. So, what is the nervous system? So, the nervous system is the control unit of the body. So, ang function ng nervous system natin is to integrate and coordinates bodily activities. Ano ba yung bodily activities natin? Walking, breathing, dancing, singing, talking. So, ang nervous system consists the activities and communicates with sense organs, yung sense of touch, smell, taste, and the other body system through the wired-like nerve cells or neurons that transmits message passing through the spinal cord to the brain back to the nerve cells or neurons for the interpretation of the senses. So, meron tayong two parts of our nervous system. So, ito ay divided sa two. Meron tayong central nervous system or the CNS that consists of the brain and spinal cord. So, central nervous system ay consists of the brain and spinal cord, hindi spinal column, and hindi rin backbone. So, spinal cord and brain. And meron din tayong peripheral nervous system. So, ang peripheral nervous system natin or the PNS consists naman ng nerves that connects the CNS to the rest of the body. So, makikita mo sa pictures, ang daming nerves na kalat sa buong body. So, unahin natin si brain. So, si brain is nagko-controls ng body movements like emotions, feelings, and vital signs of life such as breathing. So, ibig sabihin, dahil thanks to our brain na kaya nating makontrol ang ating emotions, feelings, kaya nating maglakad, kaya nating matuto, kaya nating kumanta or kaya sumayaw. So, ayan ang ating nervous system, the brain, spinal cord, and nerve cell. So, unahin natin because our brain is divided into three parts. So, ang first part natin ay the cerebrum. Ang cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. Ano ni, ang cerebrum ay the biggest part of the brain. It's help you think, remember, learn, and make decisions. So, ang cerebrum natin controls your voluntary movements like walking, talking, writing. Tandaan, so cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain, controls voluntary movements. Now, meron tayo, ayan, si cerebrum ay yung kulay yellow. So, siya yung pinaka-biggest part of our brain. So, meron tayong tinatawag na cerebellum or cerebellum. So, this part is the smaller at the back of the brain. So, ito namang cerebellum na to helps you with balance, posture, and coordination. So, you don't fall when you walk or run. So, anong mangyayari kapag ang cerebellum natin ay hindi nag-work or hindi nagfa-function ng maayos. So, ang mangyayari, para tayong lupaypay, para tayong puppet na walang nagko-control. So, ayun ang function ng ating cerebellum is help you with your balance, posture, and coordination. Ayan, si cerebellum, the blue one, this one. And meron tayong brainstem. So, si brainstem is the part connects the brain to the spinal cord. So, it controls the things you do without thinking. Ano yun? Breathing, heartbeat, digestion. Diba? Even when we are asleep, even natulog tayo, uh, meron pa rin tayong heartbeat. Humihinga pa rin tayo even when we are asleep. And syempre, nagda-digest pa rin tayo. That's because of our brainstem. So, meron tayong tatlo again. Meron tayong cerebrum, the biggest part of our brain. The cerebellum, the small part of our brain. And the brainstem. So, cerebrum, nagko-control ng voluntary movements. Si cerebellum naman ay nagko-control naman ng ating balance, posture, and coordination. And si brainstem controls the things you do without thinking. So, ngayon naman, so, ayan. So, riddle, I am the boss of the body. Who I am, that's our brain. So, punta naman tayo sa spinal cord. So, spinal cord is a cord-like material inside the backbone. So, it bridges impulse between the brain and the body. So, this means all the signals that go to and from the brain pass through the spinal cord. So, and delivers it to the right muscles and senses. So, si spinal cord ay para siyang highway. So, di ba si brain ang boss? Ngayon, inutusan ka ni brain. Saan ka dadaan? O di sa highway. So, ang spinal cord serves as parang highway or the passage. So, dito dumadaan lahat ng message. Ayan. So, ayan si ating spinal cord, the purple one. So, ayan si brain sa taas, and yung spinal cord natin ay ayan, pababa. So, I carry message like a road, who I am, that's our spinal cord. Ngayon naman, dito tayo sa neurons. So, ang neurons is the basic unit of nervous system. I want you to take some notes dun sa mga important details natin. So, our neurons is the basic unit of nervous system. So, it is a wire-like organ that is found all over the body. So, the main function of our neurons is to deliver message within the nervous system and between the other body system. So, it is divided into three parts: axon, cell body, and dendrites. So, kanina, ang spinal cord natin is like, parang siyang highway, di ba? Passageway siya ng message. Ngayon, si neurons naman, para siyang streets. Okay? So, naiintindihan. So, it is divided into three parts: si axon, si cell body, si dendrites. So, si dendrites are the short fibers around the cell body. So, they carry messages into the nerve cell. So, ayan si dendrites, parang galamay. Ngayon, punta tayo kay cell body. So, si cell body is the main component of neurons. It maintains the health of the neuron. So, ayan siya sa gitna. So, si dendrites ang magre-receive ng messages, pupunta kay cell body, then the axon. The axon is the long fiber of the neuron. So, ayan si axon. So, there are three types. Sorry sa noise. So, there are three types of neurons. We have sensory neurons, interneurons, and motor neurons. So, si sensory neurons is a typical having long dendrites and axon. Ayan ang itsura ni sensory neurons. Meron siyang long dendrites and long axons. So, ang sensory neurons natin carries messages from the receptors or organs like skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue to the nerve center or nerve. Ayan. So, ipapaliwanag ko later. So, si motor neuron naman has short dendrites and long axons. So, the motor neurons receives information from the nerve centers and transmit it to the effector organ or yung ating muscle or glands. Ayan, si motor neurons ay nakakonect sa ating muscles or glands. Tandaan. So, si interneurons naman ay found only in central nervous system, yung sa brain or the spinal cord. So, they connect sensory neurons to motor neurons. Ayan. So, I am the basic unit of the nervous system. That's our neurons. So, paano siya nag-work? Halimbawa, di ba, meron tayong I'm so sorry. So, meron tayong receptors. Ano ba yung receptors natin? Sila yung, ito yung ano natin, yung senses natin, like yung eyes. Halimbawa, hahawakan mo ay hindi, sige halimbawa makikita mo na papunta sa'yo yung bola. O ang receptors natin ay eyes kasi nakita natin na papalapit na yung bola. Now, our sensory nerves sends the impulse to the brain through the spinal cord. Sensory nerves natin, magsisend ng message sa brain through spinal cord kasi ang spinal cord nga ay parang highway. Ngayon, napunta na sa brain. Ngayon, nandito na sa brain, i-interpret yan ng brain. So, ngayon, mag-iisip, iiwasan ba ang bola or ika-catch? So, dito na-interpret sa brain. Ngayon, si brain magbababa ulit ng message, goes back to the spinal cord to motor nerves. So, si motor nerves nga kasi ay nakakonect sa muscles natin. Now, the motor nerves carries the impulse to the affector. Ibig sabihin, siya na yung gagalaw, si motor nerves. So, magsisend na ng sa motor nerves natin, yun, sasaluhin natin or iiwasan na yung bola. Halimbawa naman, kapag hinahawakan natin, kunwari, we touch something hot like pot, mainit na pot. O ngayon, ang receptors natin ay our hands. Diba? Na-sense natin na mainit. Now, our sensory nerve sends impulse to the brain through spinal cord. Ngayon, magsisend na ating sensory nerves papunta sa ating spinal cord to the brain, i-interpret ni brain, sasabihin, ako, mainit. Ngayon, yung message na yon ay mag-goes back to the spinal cord na naman to motor nerves. Ngayon, ano ang gagawin? Ibig sabihin, pag na-interpret na ng brain, na-goes to spinal cord, pupunta sa motor neuron, iaangat mo yung kamay mo para hindi ka mapaso. So, ganon. Meron tayong receptors, eyes, nose, hands, diba? Or yung mga senses natin. So, what happening around us. So, our sensory nerves carries the message to the brain, and the brain understand the message. The brain sends the reply down to the spinal cord to motor nerves, and yung motor nerves make the muscle act. So, sila na yung gumagawa. Anong galawin mo para maiwasan mo yung isang bagay. Kunwari, mainit or kaya mabato ka ng bola. So, ayan. So, thank you. So, tomorrow ay meron tayong recitation. So, i-discuss ko pa rin to ulit, sasaglit. Then, recitation tayo. Then, quiz. Ayan. So, thank you so much. Six Honesty. Maraming salamat.